Hey there, fellow foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat that's as old as time and just as sweet. It's time to explore the fascinating world of Kheer. But wait, that's not all. We're also going to unravel some little-known facts about this beloved dessert. So, if you're ready to satisfy your sweet tooth and learn something new, stick around. Let's start with the basics. Kheer, also known as rice pudding, is a classic Indian dessert. It's made with simple ingredients like rice, milk, sugar, and a touch of aromatic spices like cardamom. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The magic is in the method. To create this creamy delight, the rice is slow-cooked in milk until it absorbs the sweet flavors, and the result is pure dessert heaven. Kheer's history is as rich as its taste. Did you know that the earliest recipes for rice pudding can be traced back to ancient India? They've been found in ancient texts dating back to 400 BC. It's fascinating to see how this dessert has evolved over the centuries. Kheer has a worldwide fan base, and it's not limited to India. It's cherished across the globe with unique twists in different countries. In Iran, they have chole zard, while in the United States, it's often called rice pudding. Exploring these international variations can be a dessert lover's dream come true. Believe it or not, Kheer isn't just a sweet treat. It can also offer some health benefits. The combination of rice and milk provides essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and carbohydrates. And when spiced with ingredients like cardamom and saffron, it can even have antioxidant properties. So, indulging in Kheer can be a delightful way to nourish your body. Now, let's clear up some misconceptions about Kheer. Contrary to popular belief, Kheer is not only meant for special occasions. You can enjoy it any day of the week. Also, while it's often made with rice, Kheer can be prepared with other grains like vermicelli, sago, or even tapioca for a unique twist. Presentation is key when serving Kheer. Garnishing with slivered almonds, pistachios, or a sprinkle of rose petals not only adds visual appeal but also enhances the flavors and textures. Almonds, pistachios takes your Kheer to the next level. Before we conclude, here are some cooking tips to ensure your Kheer turns out perfect every time. Be patient. The slow simmering process is essential for the rice to absorb the milk fully. Use a heavy-bottomed pan to prevent burning, and don't forget to stir regularly. Experiment with spices and flavorings to create your signature Kheer. Let's know some other unknown facts. Kheer is celebrated across India, and each region has its unique spin on this sweet classic. From the creamy and fragrant firni of North India to the luscious pal payasam of South India, exploring these regional variations can be a delightful journey for your taste buds. Kheer often takes center stage during celebrations and festivals in India. It's a symbol of sweetness and prosperity and is prepared with love and care during occasions like Diwali, Eid, and weddings. Discovering the cultural significance of Kheer adds depth to its delightful taste. One of the most important ingredients in Kheer is thyme. Traditional Kheer recipes emphasize the slow cooking process, which allows the rice to absorb the milk and spices fully. It's this patience and dedication to the craft that make homemade Kheer so incredibly special. Like many beloved dishes, Kheer has its share of legends and folklore. Some tales tell of kings and queens using Kheer to settle disputes, while others attribute its origins to ancient royal kitchens. Exploring these stories adds a touch of magic to dessert. Kheer isn't confined to India, it's loved around the world in various forms. In the Middle East, you'll find ras bel laban, a rice pudding similar to Kheer. Learning about these international sweet traditions can expand dessert horizons. To master the art of Kheer, it's essential to have the right tools, such as a heavy-bottomed pan, long-grain basmati rice, and high-quality saffron. Pay attention to the rice-to-milk ratio, as it's crucial for achieving that creamy texture we all love. Kheer can be a challenging dessert to perfect. It requires precision, patience, and attention to detail. Share your Kheer challenges in the comments below, and let's build a community of Kheer enthusiasts who inspire each other. Share your sweet Kheer memories, whether it's a cherished family recipe passed down for generations or a heartwarming story connected to this dessert. That brings us to the end of our sweet journey through the world of Kheer. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of its history, flavors, and traditions. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us for more culinary adventures. Share your Kheer recipes, memories, or any Kheer-related thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may your life be as sweet as a bowl of Kheer. Happy cooking and happy indulging!